So, hi guys! For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba gumawa ng resume. So, napakadali lang po guys gumawa ng resume. All you need to do is search nyo lang po si canva.com. Ayan. And then here at the upper side, at upper corner, i-search nyo po resume. So, napakadali lang pong gumawa dito ng resume, or napakadali lang pong gumawa ng account sa Canva. All you need to do is kailangan nyo lang po talaga ng email address. So, para maka-access po ng Canva Pro nila is you can pay naman for monthly or yearly. So, madami po silang templates dito guys na pwede nyo gamitin. Kagaya nito. Ayan po. So, napakadami po nilang example templates na pwede nyo pong gamitin. And then, i-edit nyo lang po. Lagyan nyo na po ng picture na kagaya po nito. Okay. So, since this is Canva Pro, ayan. So, kailangan nyo lang po maka-access ng Canva Pro. Let's find another. Let's find... Okay. Ayan po. So, palakihin po natin. So, dito po, ayan, Lorna Alvarado. You can upload your own photo here po sa uploads. So, pwede po kayong mag-upload dyan ng mga photo ninyo. Save sa inyong laptop. Then, you can change it. And then, edit also the name, your contacts, and then, about you, and then your skills, and then education, attainment, bachelor ka ba, ayan, your experience, and then here, your experience job, kung ano yung mga trabaho mo. So, dito po ay meron na po silang ready na templates na papalitan na lang po ninyo. So, napakadali lang pong gumawa ng resume dito sa Canva, guys. Pwede nyo po din i-change ito ng kulay. Like, if you want to change to red, purple, violet, or blue. Ayan po. Then, you can also change the color of the letter. If you want to change it to red, ayan, orange. So, it depends on you. So, here, then, you can also change if you want to change to other like this. Ayan, so whatever. So, it's better na bold siya. Ayan. Ayan, so depends on you. You can change it. So, madami silang font. Ayan, madami silang font. So, nasa sayo lang po kung papalitan nyo po ng font. Madami po silang mga font. So, ganun lang po guys. Pwede po kayong kumuha dito ng design. mamili dito sa design ng templates. Ayan. Ang dami pong pwedeng pagpilian if you are a guy, a male. So, ito. And then, here you can change the color. Ayan, pwede pong red, pwede pong pink or whatever. And then change also the photo, the profile, the name, and then the job that you're applying for, and experience. So, napakadali lang pong gumawa dito ng resume sa Canva. So, search nyo po, canva.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe na rin if nakatulong po ito sa inyo. Maraming salamat.